So let's take a look at lesson 1 in unit 2 of 6th grade math. It's Introduction to Ratios and the Ratio Language. This is a very straightforward lesson because it's very concrete. They want to start with the concrete and not the abstract. So in this warm-up, they look at different ways to categorize by color, by area, other ways you can sort the figures. And so students are just going to have that conversation. And then here you have brought your collection of items, and the students are looking at different ratios and building those and writing sentences with them, because those ratios need to have labels. So we know we are comparing this many of that to this many of the other thing. And then a similar kind of thing in activity 3, where students have their collections that they've brought, and looking at those. If students haven't brought something, you may have just boxes of pencils or markers or those kind of things that students could use and say, okay, there are 3 red for every 4 green markers or something like that. The summary is good and kind of shows how to regroup those very visually. So I think that students who struggle with simplifying fractions may see this regrouping of ratios a little more straightforward through this, and also through the cool down. It uses animals in the same way, so hopefully that will help.